a titan's dark rebirth, a cataclysm shaking the very earth. By hellfire's fury and thunder's call, united we stand or divided we fall, to forge our dawn on the horizon line. This is our war, the sacred battle design.
Let's end this, you oversized clam!
The choice is made. We face it together. The final frontier is not a place, it's a war.
The shadow rises! Stand firm, warriors!
It's awakening! We must strike now!
By the depths we charge! Hold the line for Atlantis! For Atlantis! Strike now! Open the door, bastard!
Look to the center!
The Abyssal Titan rises. We must stand united. I'll summon the Sea Allies. Portals expand. Portals expanding. Sea Allies, to me!
For Atlantis, we will not yield!
The tide turns with us. Warriors of Atlantis, rise!
The Abyssal Titan threatens all!
Hulks!
We will not see!
Hold the line for Atlantis! Copy that. Tech support incoming. Vibranium claws slicing... Atlanteans, push them back! Repulsors at full power! Vibranium claws tearing through!
Ocean's fury, rise!
Warriors, stand with me!
Chaos and order combine.
Mystic Arts, Mysticantus, Florinus! Power plant, one down!
Ocean's house is domestic hard. Flameless.
The barrier must hold! Can't catch us!
Feel the fire!
Keep pushing! We got this!
For Atlantis, stand with me!
Together we stand! Back to back, sister! We stand together! Our strength was untrainable! Push them back! For Atlantis and Themyscira!
For Atlantis and the surface world! We strike as one! For... Strike the core!
Together! For glory!
Feel the pennant stare! Hulk smash! For Atlantis! Vengeance!
Unleash the fury!
No!
I am sealing the portal. No more incursions from other universes. The portal is sealed. No more incursions. Then we stand together for this universe's war.
Our commitment is absolute.
It's almost free of the curse.
All right, time to clean up this mess. You can't touch this, Atlantis. You guys picked the wrong day to surface.
The surface dweller fights Dark-Upon.
The time has come, my love. We fight for everything.
For the throne and for our people.
Wela Haya.
Seas rise and obey!
My king, the beast, awakens.
Then we strike as one! Seas obey your king! One! Rebels rise us mandatory!
You will drown in my blood.
Your rampage ends now! Feel my strength. This ends today! For Atlantis!
Together! For justice and the surface world. Defend the depths, hold the line.
We stand united, bro! Il est there!
For Atlantis surface.
Too slow! Clearing the path! These things just keep coming! They chained to this! Monsters ahead! Strike from shadows!
Undetected. Claws ready.
For Wakanda! By the might of Atlantis! Now, finish it! Charge, heroes, for Atlantis!
We stand with you, Mike.
For Atlantis! Hold nothing back! We fight as one!
Shield strike, now! All weapons engaged!
The multiverse bleeds! We must hold the line!
A new threat rises from the dead.
It's a
The rift is widening. We cannot let it fully open.
Oh, que vai ser back! Heroes of two worlds, we stand united! This Titan threatens all we hold dear. Heroes of both yours, Repanders! Repent! This abyssal Titan will not break our alliance!
Free oceans and more!
For the Atlantean Empire! This is the price of meddling in the multiverse. A choice we must make, together. We did it. Welcome back to the surface.
The multiverse war is coming.
The portal reopens. Our paths diverge. The veil is thin. Choose wisely.
Brotherhood.
This is not the end, only a new tide. The multiverse remembers those who cross it with honor.
Our brotherhood will echo through the depths.
For Atlantis!
The ocean rises. Our core firing.
Madness! Atlantis inventory! You should not die! Victory is always enough!
Technology and thunder unbeatable. Now, combine your powers! Our technology and criminal rectitude!
Wakanda fights for the cup. For Wakanda.
And Atlantis.
Welcome to the Intergalactic Championship. Final M Superheroes versus Titans.
Wakanda fights for the cup. For Wakanda.
Too slow! Clearing the path! These things just keep coming! They giant in this!
Monsters ahead. Strike from shadows.
Undetected. Claws ready.
For Wakanda! By the might of Atlantis! Now, finish it!